The 2026 Peugeot 207 represents a perfect fusion of contemporary design, compact practicality, and forward-thinking engineering. Built with a bold sense of European styling, the vehicle brings a sense of presence to the road despite its compact size. From the moment you look at it, the metallic bronze finish sets it apart from the crowd, reflecting light in a way that makes every curve of the body stand out. The signature Peugeot grille at the front, accompanied by razor-sharp LED headlights, gives the car an assertive and modern face. It's sleek, low, and stylish, ideal for city driving but still equipped for longer, spirited journeys. Open the hood, and you're introduced to a space where form and function come together flawlessly. The engine bay of the Peugeot 207 is immaculately laid out. Everything is positioned with precision, from the compact yet powerful engine block to the high-efficiency cooling system, all visible and clearly defined. The battery is mounted with stability, the wiring is clean and securely routed, and each reservoir and cap is color-coded and easily accessible. Whether you're a car enthusiast or someone who simply appreciates clean automotive design, the view under the hood is a statement of Peugeot's engineering discipline. Step inside, and the story continues with a cabin that's crafted for both the driver and the passenger. The cockpit-style interior wraps around the driver, creating an immersive driving experience. The steering wheel, with the iconic Peugeot lion emblem, is sporty and well-proportioned. Behind it, a digital instrument cluster offers a customizable display, putting performance, navigation, and system information exactly where it's needed. The central touchscreen is sleek and intuitive, with controls for climate, media, and connectivity integrated smoothly into the dashboard. The materials are premium, with soft-touch surfaces, contrast stitching on the seats, and subtle ambient lighting that brings a modern, tech-forward atmosphere to the cabin. The driving experience of the Peugeot 207 is equally refined. Its compact dimensions make it highly maneuverable in urban environments, while its suspension offers a balanced ride, comfortable yet responsive. The lightweight construction aids in fuel efficiency, and the tuned engine delivers a surprisingly lively performance, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating tight city streets. Road noise is minimal, and the cabin remains calm and composed even at higher speeds, speaking volumes about the car's build quality. The 2026 model also incorporates advanced safety and driver assistance features. From automatic emergency braking to adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, the Peugeot 207 doesn't just look modern, it drives modern. These features work seamlessly in the background to support the driver without interrupting the joy of being behind the wheel. From every angle, front, side, back, interior, or under the hood, the Peugeot 207 exudes thoughtful design and innovation. The metallic bronze color not only adds character but complements the car's futuristic personality. Whether parked or in motion, the car holds your attention. It's not just another hatchback. It's a statement, one that proves you don't have to choose between practicality and passion. The 2026 Peugeot 207 is built for the future, yet ready to deliver an unforgettable driving experience today.